Hello everyone, in this lecture the topic ambiguity and its types is going to be explained, but if you are new to my lecture then like and subscribe the channel. Well, without wasting the time, let's move and learn it. It can be defined as: ambiguity is when a word, phrase, statement, or idea has more than one meaning or can be understood in more than one way. What does it mean? Simply it means that ambiguity refers to the possibility of multiple interpretations for a word, phrase, and a sentence. It can be created by the use of words with multiple meanings, by the structure of a sentence, or by the context in which a word or phrase is used. In other words, you can say that if you use a word, phrase, a statement etc. and that can give more than one meaning or sense which makes us confused, then that is simply called ambiguity. I think still you are not getting the point, so look at these examples. I am waiting for you near the bank. Here look at this example. In this sentence the word, bank, has two meanings because one meaning is, it refers to the side of river, and the second meaning is, it also refers to a financial institution where you keep your money. So this sentence can be interpreted in both ways, like, I am waiting for you near the financial institution, or I am waiting for you in the side of river. So it makes confusion, so it is called ambiguity. My brother saw a bat. This sentence has more than one interpretations because of the word, bat. One interpretation is that, my brother saw a bird, bat. The second interpretation is that, my brother saw a cricket bat. And the third interpretation is that, my brother saw a bat. In this example the word, saw is used for cutting, so it means that my brothers cut a cricket bat with a saw. Basically, you need to keep in mind that there are many different types of ambiguity in literature, including syntactic ambiguity. It refers to a type of ambiguity in which the structure of a sentence allows for multiple interpretations. Simply, you can say that some sentence structures make ambiguity, so when structures of a sentence make confusion and give more than one meaning then it is called syntactic ambiguity. Just look at these examples. I saw the man with the telescope. Look at the sentence and let me ask you the question. Does this mean you saw a man who had a telescope, or you saw a man using a telescope to see something else? Yes, now you can get it that it can be interpreted in both ways. So it has more than one meaning due to the structure of this sentence, so this is a syntactic ambiguity. And look at another example. The professor said on Monday he would give an exam. Look at this example again. This can be interpreted in both ways, such as, this sentence can mean that the professor told the class about the exam on Monday, or that the exam would be given on Monday. In simple words you can say that a professor said on Monday that he will take exam on Monday. So it makes confusion, that's why it is ambiguity. Lexical ambiguity. It means that when a word has multiple meanings which make is confused, then it is called lexical ambiguity. For example, just look at the word, bank. It can refer to a financial institution or the side of a river. Or look at the word, tear. It can mean a drop of liquid from your eye or the act of ripping something apart. So this is called lexical ambiguity. I hope you have enjoyed the lecture, but do not forget like and subscription. Thank you.